Today we're going to know PPSU injection molding. PPSU is a kind of medical injection. It's high temperature injection molding. The natural color, it is brown transparent like this. It can also be clear transparent. There are many kinds of colors like white. Also have black or some of the other colors. PPSU molded parts can be EO sterilization and steam sterilization. You can also choose the other sterilization, especially for steam sterilization. It can be hundreds of times sterilization.